Hi, welcome to Centerspace Maintenance in a Minute. Today we're going to show you how to get a broken light bulb out of a socket. The things you're going to need to complete this task are a ladder, a pair of gloves, and a pliers with some electrical tape on the end. First thing you're going to do, we're going to have the light on, and we're going to go kill the breaker to make sure the power's off rather than turning the light switch on. So now we'll walk to the panel box to find the breaker. Okay, we're going to find the correct breaker for the bedroom that we're working on right now. So I've located this one. So I'm going to shut this one off, and we're going to walk back to the bedroom and make sure the light is off rather than use the switch so you're safe. Okay, now we've seen with the breaker off that they killed the power here. Now I'm going to attempt to get the broken socket out of there. Then we put the pressure on it with the tape and slowly turn it out, and the bulb with the pressure on the inside there will come out of here. So far out, you can just take your glove and pull it out of there. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If it didn't, please call us and we can give you additional help.